What's going on? This is Shantae Delon, and you are watching the Diaries of Shantae Delon. I am on location in my mansion. Look at this. Look how cold this thing is. Did I show you this piano? Sick. Okay. About to give you a tour. Let's go to the basement. Look at this. And it's a gym. Yes, a gym. The bar. There. Look at this cold fish. This is fish tank. Where did the fish go? I don't know where it went. Okay. Pool table. Car showcase. Sick.
That's what we parked at, right? We parked at, right?
Oh, okay.
No mobile, man. That's a man. What?
The maid's quarter.
You must sleep back here, because I see these big old shoes back here.
Oh, okay.
It's the creep spot. Oh, that's what it is?